without any
لكن الحكم بالسلطان
heavy mistakes. Mistakes every day, every hours or whatever, but not too much. Because that is a natural happen once we are working in the live animals and moving work. Right? We are moving, driving, anything, anywhere we go, we are handling the live animals to bring here immediately. But alhamdulillah, no any problem happen. Okay? So we are thanking to all of us, especially our managers, that we will finish to achieve the target for 2024. I hope that 2025, whatever will be the target given by the admin or the admin, we can achieve also. But as I said, that we are hoping that the support also from them are not 100% giving, that we still praying, we hope that they will give. Right? I know what you are thinking now. Right? I know what you are thinking. But we still hoping. Don't lose your hope. Don't lose your hope. We still hoping. What will be the always praying every night or whatever before going to sleep. Alhamdulillah, maybe coming inshallah like this. You know already. We still hope. Don't lose your hope. I hope also. So first I'm thanking my team, the logistics team, who are hard work every night, day, going down the water, even very cold. They are mind that one. So I thank you all, logistics team, and the drivers.
السواقين نشكرهم.
Production.
نشكر السواقين واللوجستيين.
Operation.
علامة
أوكي.
احنا كلنا رفعنا
Saya Mustafa.
Here, Mr. Aulat, Mr. Noman. Nowhere, thank you. Control room, also there, doing 24 hours there. Yeah. So, no any workshop here. We thank you also to the workshop people. I hope next year we'll be doing it also. Yeah. So, that's all. Thank you very much.
Welcome.